welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Kay, and we are kicking off the week with another vlog. This is your first time here, welcome. I'm real and raw. You're gonna love it here. Go ahead and check me out. And on your way out the door, feel free to subscribe, comment, like, and share this video because it's the friend zone, baby, and sharing is caring. And for my returning subscribers, hey y'all! I mean, I have the same enthusiasm for the other ones. You just subscribe. But just wanted to get this vlog up and cracking. Yes, you already know the vibes. You know where I am, but not for long. I have an appointment this morning, so I will be heading out shortly. But I did want to stop by the office and tie up some loose ends. With that being said, it is Friday, my favorite day of the week. And y'all, if you've been following me, you know that I've been taking a weekend to reset, kind of just decompress, leave everything there, and just kind of rejuvenate. This is that weekend. This that weekend. It's that weekend where I'm gonna get away. What have I been doing this past week? Let me catch you up real quick. Y'all, we went to the whole preparation of getting ready to go to hit the reset button. You know, getting your nails done. I got my nails done. Changed the color because I was getting sick of that. The gray was giving Easter basket, and I was just over it. I was like, girl, what are you, 2? Why are we Why do we have glitter on one nail? So yeah, I went on and got rid of that. And I got my toes done. I got my feet done. I went to the wax lady, y'all. Y'all noticed something? I ain't gonna even say nothing. I'm just gonna. They're a little bit thicker, huh, y'all? Okay. I got my eyebrows tinted a couple of days ago. I like them, y'all. Y'all like them? Anyway. So we did that, and we tried this restaurant that it's next to where I go get waxed. This little spot I go to. It's next door, y'all. I've been going to this spot for years. Never tried this spot. Baby, let me tell you something. I had a taco. Probably gonna put the picture somewhere up in here. Now when you look at it, it ain't the best thing to look at. It ain't the best to look at. It give you like, ugh, I don't want to try it, but try it. Baby, it changed my life. It was worth every cent of the $6.48 that I spent on it. Yes, I spent $6.48 on one taco. One, but it was good. The meat, it was a grilled chicken taco. Oh my God, it had cucumber and everything on it. It was so good. 5 stars for sure. I think it's called Turban something. I don't know. I'll put the name at the bottom down there, and the information is definitely be in the description box. Speaking of description box, y'all, please don't forget the description box. If anything I may have on, even if I don't do like a whole stand-up or whatever, I'll have that in the description box. It's filled with information that you can use. So don't forget to check that out. Girl, I'm getting attacked by the plant. Check some emails. What is the temperature on? Hell, I just got warm all of a sudden. Am I going through the change? Hell, girl, I had to look there. I had to Google it and see if am I going through the change? Anyway, I'm about to check a couple of emails, send out some emails, tie up some loose ends, leave here in about about an hour and get my day started. So, with that being said, y'all want to come too? Oh, I'm giving good morning light. Good morning, gorgeous. Okay, let me stop. All right.
She's a dancer queen for life. Gonna explode like dynamite.
Hey y'all, I'm back. Y'all can see that back there in the corner. Y'all already know I done went and did some damage. Don't look at that stuff back there. Don't look at it.
Maybe it's an addiction we ain't trying to fix. Look what you heard, baby.
Y'all, that's Celie. That's Celie. Look, Celie, y'all. Look, that's Celie.
Hey!
That's Celie, y'all. Ooh. Y'all see that?
Yeah, don't move.
Y'all see that right? I was just checking in. I've already went to my appointment, guys, and just left out of DD's. We're about to go into another store and then we'll be off to the room. Check in and get rid of all this stuff. To put most stuff. So I'll check back in with you guys in a few.
Bye, YouTubers.
Come on me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, so for the belly. Come on me, leave all of your things, yeah. You stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come on me, fly you out to Greece, full speed.
Hey friends, I'm back, y'all. I am sorry I have not picked up the camera in hours. As you can see, I have made it. It's a little resort that I found. A little staycation resort that I found. And it's like, if you live in Texas, it's Kima Lee City, Galveston area. So, you guys know I need to set the reset button because I be having so much going on. Damn, Gramps. If you want to be in the vlog, just say that. You ain't gotta slam the door, ho. Anyway, I'm gonna show you guys what the hotel looks like. So, y'all ready? Let's go.
Said she really like my music. Now she wanna come and do it. But me to steady acting stupid. Cause we ain't never gonna do it. Say I'm always looking clueless. But steady doing what I'm doing. Ooh, that dress is scandalous. The way you moving, can I handle it? My baby going off the cannabis. Cause she was living la vida loca. She had buttons like a truck. I'm like so. Baby, give me love. I think I sing it again. She invest in me. Think I confess in me. I think I think you're contesting me. Always confessing me. Shawty moving like the ocean from the West Indies. Think I undress for me. She make me shawty on the text with me. She make me shawty on the text with me. Oh, she got me leaving. My body that she needed. Oh girl, you give me Caesar. The body got tension. Oh girl, my girl, you got me feeling. Oh yeah, ooh, what a feeling. Oh yeah, girl, you got me feeling. Oh yeah, body got tension. Goddamn, oh girl, you got me.
Go neck deep, shorty like that Loch Ness. So damn girls now wanna suck for the success. Hit run and they all left like that clutch press. Never give a fuck, now I give a fuck less. Cotton feels, man, I don't need her. All I wanna see on her waist like I need her. So baby, confess to me, really I'm the one best in
Sing
thee.
it again. Shawty invest in me. Think I confess in me. I think you're contesting me. Always confessing me. Shawty moving like the ocean from the West Indies. Think I undress for me. Shawty on the text with me. Shawty on the text with me. Oh yeah, she got me looking for no closure. Shawty said she wanna do this. Said she really like my music. Now she wanna go.
Young Paris, baby. Yeah. Yeah.
now she wanna come and do it. Me to steady acting stupid, cause we ain't never gonna do it. They say I'm always looking clueless, but steady doing what I'm doing. Ooh, that dress is scandalous. The way you moving, can I handle it? My baby going off the cannabis, cause she was living la vida loca. She had buttons like a truck. I'm like so. Baby, give me love. I think I sing it again. She invest in me. We got confess in me. I think I think you're contesting me. Always confessed in me. Shitty moving like the ocean from the West Indies. Make her undress for me. She make me shitty on the text for me. She make me shitty on the text for me. Oh, she got me leaving. My body that she needed. Oh girl, you give me Caesar. The body got tension. Oh girl, my girl, you got me feeling. Oh yeah. Ooh, what a feeling. Oh yeah. Girl, you got me feeling. Oh yeah. Body got tension. Goddamn, oh girl, you got me.
Go neck deep, shorty like that Loch Ness. So damn girls now wanna suck for the success. Hit run, then they all left like that clutch press. Never give a fuck. Now I give a fuck less. Cotton feels, man, I don't need her. All I wanna sleep on her waist like I need her. So baby, confess to me. Really, I'm the one best in
Sing
thee.
it again. She invest in me. Make her confess in me. I think you're contesting me. Always confessed in me. Shawty moving like the ocean from the West Indies. Make her undress for me. Shawty on the text for me.
I can't wait till I get you on the floor, good looking. Hey, going hot so hot, just like an oven. And I'll burn myself, I just had to touch it. It's so fine, it's so nice, baby.
Tonight I'ma let you be the captain. Tonight I'ma let you do your thing, yeah. Tonight I'ma let you be a rider. Giddy up, baby. Tonight I'ma let it be fire. Tonight I'ma let you take me higher. Tonight, baby, we could get it on, yeah. We could get it on, yeah. Do you like it, boy? Want, what you want. Give it to me, baby, like boom, boom, boom. What I want is what you want, nah, nah.
Good morning, friends. Y'all, I'm back. I know this vlog has kind of been wow, all over the place. But I wanted to come to you guys this morning and just kind of catch you guys up. Yesterday just went so fast, y'all. Sometimes vlogging can get a little tough when you're trying to stay in the moment. Like I said it before, when you're trying to stay in the moment and you just happen to remember to pull out the camera and just think about the people who's gonna be watching, taking that into consideration. So I'm here at the, Lord, I can't even think of it. I'm here at the HARBOUR Hotel, I think that's it. It is in kind of Clear Lake-ish, League City, as you can see the view behind me. Y'all, this is a really nice spot. Anyway, guys, it is Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday. It's the next day. I am getting ready to, I just really came out to film this morning and now I'm about to go get dressed and get ready for the day. A little shopping, get some lunch and dinner and then go out later. So I hope you guys are ready for the ride. Hey guys, we are back. Starting off this Saturday, I'm leaving the hotel. We're about to go get breakfast at, I think she said EGGCELLENCE. Y'all, I just got on something simple. Little green dress that came from yours. Ooh, a little green dress that came from yours truly. Crazy Boss. $5. $5. So we'll see you guys at the restaurant. Hey friends, we have made it to the restaurant. I've never been here before. It's called, is it Excellence? What? Excellence. Excellence. So we're about to go in here and I'm gonna give y'all my review on what I think.
Only ever see the worst in me. Only ever see it how you want it. I can never say things honestly. So I don't.
Girl, that back is even more got girl. They got oh wait, avocado. Oh, it's so much. I don't know. It's so much to pick from. Oh man, I'm looking at this for something. So y'all, my real brilliant is sitting here waiting on somebody to come and take our order. Why ain't nobody tell me that we were supposed to get up and put our damn order in and then come sit down? Then you get this nice little number and they bring your food out. So if anyone, I don't know, you order? Yeah, no, that was supposed to be. Yeah, I didn't order. So for anyone who has not been to Eggland, she must have ordered orange juice. I did. Eggland.
Yeah, because I have 73.
Yeah,
whatever
the
name it is.
Make sure you grab your menu, go order your food, and then sit down. Don't sit down and wait on nobody to come eat and serve you like I did. Fun fact.
I'm so groovy. I am Pluto. Never forget. Okay. I'm so groovy.
Hey y'all. We about to try this food together. Probably was good that I didn't get no eggs. Look. Come on. The French toast is really good, y'all. It is. But I was thinking it was gonna come with like a caramel sauce. Like I don't know where I had them. I had this at somewhere. They had a caramel sauce. So. Now let me try the wing. Like you bring us the wing. Hey, awesome. Okay, y'all, fun fact about me. I do not bite. Normal people do this. I don't do this. I pick my chicken. Kaye do that too?
She picked hers.
I pinch my food. I even pinch my pizza. I'm a pincher.
I mean, you got more than a yes.
This is good, y'all. Well, let me go ahead and enjoy them. Go ahead and eat like a homeless person. And I'll be back. Hey friends, we just made it to Ross. About to go in here and see what they have. Come on with me. I didn't realize how old I was today until we got into Ross and I seen this chair. To the clubs in the 90s, so you'll know that was a picture, the club, the chair we took pictures in. You was live if you took a picture in that chair, child. So it's $149. I ain't getting it. I just want to show y'all. Hey friends, we done made it out of Ross. Only bought one thing. Can you believe it? But I guess it's a good thing because yesterday I spent more than that. But we got one thing and we're about to go to the mall across the street. We'll see you in the mall. friends, we just walked in the mall. And we just stopped by. Here's your card. VV's. All her stuff is homemade. I got I got you, baby.
Woman owned, female owned, black owned.
Yes. We support the black owned.
I live in Leeds City too, and I've been looking into. I've already got 2 properties.
Y'all come check her out if you're in the BAYBROOK area. She's right from the food court as soon as you walk in. Another kiosk. It's called 3D Intervention.
Just a charm.
Y'all look. I don't think it's really showing up on camera like it could, guys. Y'all, but look, they even have necklaces. She can take a picture from your phone and create this. These are $69, but if you, I think it's definitely worth it. I think this size is $69. It's definitely worth it, especially if you have a sentimental picture. Y'all look. This is so cute, y'all. Okay, friends, look. Not only do they have the necklace and the, not only do they have this in the necklace, they also make keychains. So you can keep your loved one with you. So guys, if you are in BAYBROOK Mall, stop by here. Hi, friends. Oh, y'all. First of all, let me look over here. Because I'm giving you cockeyed and, y'all. I ain't been picking up the camera. I ain't been picking up the camera, and guess what? Since the last time we eaten, we about to do what? Eat again. Yeah. So, ooh, we have been ripping and running because we're going out, and yeah, I can't believe I'm saying that. We're going out, and we are getting ready to try this place called the Burger Joint. Let me see if I can let y'all see the sign. Y'all see that sign right there? Whew. Anyway. Okay, great. So we're about to get something to eat out of here.
So you ready?
Okay.
What do you want me to do? If I stand in line, you want me.
So you I didn't know. Oh, okay. All right, y'all. Let me go in here because you see I'm all confused, y'all. See, okay, y'all can see the sign right there. We're about to go get something to eat. I'm gonna oh yeah, speaking of something to eat, I'm gonna give y'all the review. Go ahead, sweetie. Go ahead, I'm vlogging, child. Thank you, you're so nice. Okay, I'm gonna tell y'all how both restaurants was. My experience for breakfast and for this place. Stay tuned. Hi friends, good morning. I am back, y'all. I'm sorry. Let me just be totally honest. This weekend, this getaway has been, well, I needed it. I needed to be able to sit back and reflect and just kind of reevaluate my life. Y'all look. Y'all like the background? See, look at me, Gemini. Just my life, just things I need to change, things I need to do different. I told y'all in past videos, if you've been watching me, that I do a lot of self-evaluation. And this here, some changes are about to be made. Some changes are about to be made for me, the way I handle and deal with stuff. Some changes are about to be made. So this is much needed. Guys, I encourage you, if you have a lot going on, y'all hit the reset button. You don't have to do like me and go somewhere or whatever, but find something that allows you to think clearly, to just look at things different. Just find a way to reset whatever works for you. How about that? Just find a way to reset. For me, it's just getting out of my everyday element. Not dealing with work. With any of my hustles, any of that. It's being able to just get away from that and just shut off and do what I love doing. Y'all, this background is everything. I think this is gonna be a thumbnail or something. I just love this. Y'all love this? Okay, don't. I'm not really ready to go into everything that I'm dealing with right now, but just know these moments that you see me out or whatever, it makes it all that much better. It does. Because for me, okay, to symbolize everything, I know that everything's gonna be all right. I know that God is in control. I know all that. But I also know that I'm human. And so I feel, I hurt, I go through things. I'm a woman. So I know that already. So when I go through things, it's me sitting back and kind of letting God do his work. Not to make this all about, because whoever you believe in, that's you. But to sit back and let him move. And just, sometimes you're like a kid because he's the father. So it's like, but when this gonna happen? But when this gonna happen? Instead of me being patient and waiting. So that's that. So, okay, so I don't want to get emotional. So let's talk about Friday. I got here Friday. I think I showed you guys around. The hotel is nice. Now we're gonna do some reviews. The hotel, they spent most of the money on the amenities of the hotel because it's like a resort. So they have like the conference room is really nice. The downstairs is several restaurants. I think I took you guys, like you pretty much seen all of them. If you look over here, that's actually a swimmer pool bar. So, and it's normally open and they serve food. It's a little area back there as well. Hold on, let me fix y'all. All right. Ooh, I don't think I did it, but y'all crooked. Y'all doing a left hand lean, but anyway. So yeah, it's a nice getaway if you just want to get away from everything and be with some people that you vibe with, or your boo or whatever. I love a honeycomb hideout. That's what this is, a honeycomb hideout. And so it's basically in Kemah, League City area. If you're in Houston, I would definitely put the information on the screen. Now I will say this, the rooms are good, but they definitely need to invest in the rooms. They do. They definitely need to put a little love in the rooms. I'm sorry, y'all. Y'all know I'm always moving and doing something. Y'all, I tried 3 different spots to eat. You guys seen that as well. Oh my God, I got people staring at me over there, y'all, and it don't even bother me. I remember when I first started doing this, that used to bother me. I'm like, oh my God, they're staring at y'all, I don't even care. Anyway, so we went, the first place we went to, yeah, this is crazy because one of these has been by my house forever, Yard House. I've never been to Yard House, but we went Friday night. I went Friday night, and I had an amazing time. I think I posted on my Instagram the drink I had, and I don't think I posted food. I really didn't take a lot of pictures and do like I normally do. I literally took this time to relax. But I ordered some, I ordered a pizza. Then I ended up having some, I think it was lobster noodles or something. Oh my God, it was so good. The pizza was good, the noodles was good, and then it was like a pineapple chicken. So good, y'all. It's definitely 5 stars. 5 stars. 5 stars for me. Then that morning, yesterday morning, I went to EGGCELLENCE. I guess I'm saying that right. EGGCELLENCE. I don't know. EGGCELLENCE. That's what I'm calling. Y'all know what I'm talking about. The word excellent with egg in the front. That's what I'm talking about. Anyway, we went there, y'all. I went there, and my food was good, y'all. I'm like, as I'm talking about this stuff, I'm gonna kind of post some pictures either here or there. So it's, y'all, I'm a snooze girl. I normally go to snooze. Baby, snooze. I won't. If I had to compare them, which one would I go? If someone said, "Hey, let's go have breakfast," you want to go to Excellence or snooze? I'm probably gonna go to Excellence. I'm just gonna be honest. It was really good. What did I have? Oh, I had the French toast, the banana Foster French toast. Really, really good. And wings, they were good. And so that I would give a 5 stars as well. And then yesterday, we were supposed to go out last night, y'all. I was supposed to go out last night, y'all. My aunt has a club not too far from here. I was supposed to go out. I just wanted to sit back and relax, because when I would have got out in that mindset, my mind would have started going back to work and everyday things. I know that probably sounds weird, but it would have been, my mind would have went to what I was trying to escape from, and I didn't want to do that. So I wanted to do exactly what I wanted to do this weekend. So yesterday I got hungry and I didn't know where I wanted to eat, but I knew I wanted to try something new. So I went to this place called the Burger Joint, or the Joint Burger. It has to be Burger Joint, because Joint Burger just sounds stupid. Yeah, I think it. Child, let me see. Okay, it's the Burger Joint. I went here, y'all. Okay, first of all, it's misleading, because you're gonna see this line out the door and you're like, I ain't going in there, it's crowded. Go in, because it's the line for them to order. There's nowhere for them to sit, and it goes quick. I got, what burger did I get? The kimchi burger. It was so good, y'all. The macaroni was good. I had some of that. I didn't even eat all my food. I ate like half of the burger. I had an onion ring and some famous loaded fries they have. I would probably put it somewhere up here, but y'all, that was good. Everything I've eaten since I've been out here has been good. Dress. I need to call this girl and see where I'm supposed to be meeting at her. So I love y'all. Y'all, look at my background. Is it like paradise? Let me show you guys. The boats and stuff. It gives you like you're really out of town. But anyway, guys, I'll be back. I'm back, y'all. I'm supposed to already be where I'm going, but I had to make it stop. I had to do something that I normally wouldn't do, like for real. I normally wouldn't do this, but never say never. No, I ain't say never. I just normally don't do this. But what I want to do is take this moment right here to say, I got a frozen Coke. I got a frozen Coke, the infamous frozen Coke that Addicted to Rock talks about all the time. And the reason why I got this frozen Coke is in honor of you hitting your first goal, friend. 1,000 subscribers. Girl, we almost to 2,000 subscribers. I said we. Yep, I meant it. Congratulations for all your hard work, for all your dedication, for making us laugh, for making our day, for inspiring us. Keep doing you. We love to see it. We love to see it. And also, thank you for your support. So, congratulations. Thank you. And cheers, boo. Girl. And it's up. And it's up. And it's up. And it's stuck, bitch.
I'm just saying I can be, yeah, one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. If you wanna waste your time, the way
and I am extremely tired. I think the last time I picked up the camera, we were going to a brunch, dinner, lunch with SM. I tried to get some clips going in, and when she got there, I literally just set the phone down and we started talking from the time she got there nonstop, and I didn't pick up the phone, not even to check it, until we left. So I've made it home. I need to unpack. I'm pretty much unpacked. I pretty much did that. I need to put up the stuff that I bought. Let's just say that. I don't need to, yeah, I'm gonna do that. And then I've seen so many of my YouTube friends upload, so I need to get caught up on that. My hand hurts really bad, so I don't know what's up for tomorrow yet, because it's actually a little swollen. So I'm gonna check into that. And yeah, at this point I'm starting to ramble, and I don't want to do that, so I think I'm going to go ahead and close this vlog out, because we're going to start another one tomorrow, especially if I get this appointment for where I'm trying to go tomorrow. It's a surprise. Yes, I'll be done up. I probably would have the earrings on if I'm at the house. I don't necessarily have the frames on, but the frames is just my thing, y'all. It's just my thing. I'm a frame lover. This is what it is. So. And plus, I don't be wanting to look cockeyed and stuff, because I be looking over here instead of over there. So anyway, I'm rambling. Guys, thank you so much for sticking around throughout this whole video. If you made it here this far, you are a real one, and I appreciate you, friends, and I will see you in the next video.